In this video, I want to share with you a low competition evergreen niche that I found for merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that low competition evergreen niche, just want to do a quick sales update. So it is 5:50 p.m. on a Thursday afternoon or early evening, and I'm sitting at 40 sales, 1 canceled, 5 returns, $44 in royalties. That's going to put me at 593 sales and $759 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So first, let me just share with you how I found this evergreen niche. And like I find pretty much all of my evergreen niches, I use social media, and my favorite app is TikTok. I'm on TikTok a lot, just for entertainment and just for niche research. And I came across this video on my For You page, and it was about this guy that had found the biggest anaconda ever recorded. Anacondas are those big snakes down in the Amazon, and he had found the biggest anaconda ever in the Amazon. And so that is the niche I have for you guys today. It is anaconda. And if we go to Merch Informer right here, we type in anaconda, hit search, we're going to see that there's only 315 merch by Amazon shirts. We can see right here, Productor is also saying that there's only 315. Now, since I always get this comment on all my videos, I'll just address it real quick. So if we go to Amazon and we type in anaconda t-shirt, we're going to see it says 3,000. So why does it say 3,000 results here and only 315? The reason is that the 315 is merch by Amazon shirts, and the 3,000 is clothing products for anaconda t-shirts. That's going to be merch by Amazon. That's going to be fulfillment by merch, which is like Printful, Printify, and then FBA, which is fulfillment by Amazon. But to be honest, I don't even know if I believe this number right here, 3,000, because if you scroll down, we are going to see that, I'm on the 7th page right here, and there's basically 48 results on per page. So if there's 3,000 results, like, where are the rest of them? I can't click on next. I can click on previous, but I can't click on next. So if there's 3,000, where they're at. So I don't even know if I really believe that number. And right here, we're going to see that this number right here, 306, matches up with this number right here, 315, or at least they're pretty similar. So 315 merch by Amazon shirts for this keyword. If we go and take a look at Redbubble, take a look at the competition, we're going to see it's a little more, about 1,200 results. But so that is the niche, and let me just show you kind of what the designs look like and the BSRs, because this looks like it's low in competition. It looks like pretty much all of them are selling. I looked at every one of the designs on this first page, and every one has a BSR. Like this first row all have BSRs, second row all has BSRs, third row, and it goes like that for all of the 12 rows. All of them have BSRs, a lot of them have reviews. Pretty easy to design for. Like some of them don't even have any text. It's just basically a clip art of an anaconda that you can get either from Vexels, Creative Fabric, or even using like AI. So that's the niche. So now that we have the niche, we want to see if it is safe to upload onto Merch by Amazon, basically using the word anaconda. So you just want to come over here to TM search, or the UPSO, type in anaconda, click on expert, click this little magnifying glass right here, and then you want to filter it by class 25. And I like to get rid of dead because there's really no point in having that. And we're going to see, like right here, so there's anaconda fightwear, which is in the 025 class, but it is not an exact match to just anaconda. It's anaconda fightwear, and it's not even a t-shirt right here. It's martial arts shorts and rash guards. There's this one right here that does say anaconda, but it's not in the 025 class. So it looks like this is safe. I'm not seeing anything that looks like it will get us in trouble, but like I always say, just make sure to do your research. So now that we have the niche, we know that it looks safe to upload onto Merch by Amazon. Now we want to design. So what I did for my first design is I actually went to Ideogram to get some AI, because I saw that a lot of the designs, well, not a lot, but there were some that were just using very simple clip art without any even text. Like, so this one right here, there's no text. Let's see if I can find some other ones. Like this one doesn't have any text either. No text. You can see there's some that are selling, like these ones right here. Like very simple. I mean, that's pretty easy to do. You can see they got BSRs. Now, they're not the best BSRs in the world, but these could get you a couple extra sales, and maybe even during Q4, maybe even some more. So what I did is I went to Ideogram and I got this clip art right here, or this image. I just typed in anaconda, that's it. And I want to give a shout out to everybody who helped me or taught me how to basically get a frame from Creative Fabrica. Basically, you just type in grunge frame right here, and you just download that, pop it into Photoshop, and here is the first design that I came up with. Oh, whoops. It is this one right here. So you can see here, you just have to do like a clipping mask. This is what this clipping mask is right here. And what do you guys think? I think that looks pretty good, because if you don't have the clipping mask, it just looks kind of weird. Whoops, I'm not able to do it. But it's just, I don't know, it just doesn't really look right. So when you have the jagged frame like this, just looks a lot better. So that is the first design that I have for you guys that I got using AI or Ideogram. And then the next one was one that I used that I got from Creative Fabrica. So it's this right here, Just a Boy Who Loves Anacondas. And I went to Creative Fabrica and I just typed in anaconda, and I went with this bundle right here. I think they have some pretty good clip art. I think this works well. Excuse me. So yeah, so Just a Boy Who Loves Anacondas. We know that this is a very popular phrase, you know, just a girl who loves whatever, you know, you just pop in the niche right here. We've seen over the years that's been one of like the all-time, I'd probably say like top 10 best design phrases, or it's definitely up there. Now, it doesn't always have to be just a girl. You can also do just a boy. I just don't think snakes or anacondas is going to really do well with girls, because they're probably kind of more scared of those. Now, what do I know? I could be wrong, but I just thought just a boy would work better. So Just a Boy Who Loves Anacondas. And it's really important that the font makes sense. You know, I actually had a hard time kind of finding a correct font. I kind of got lucky and I stumbled on this one. And it's actually a really good font. And it is, let me just show it to you, it is called Bear Hugs. Now, I wasn't able to find it on Creative Fabrica, but you could probably find it on DaFont. But this is it right here, Bear Hugs. I think it works well. Let me know what you guys think. And then I just scaled this design. I did another one right here, which said Free Hugs. I thought that was kind of funny. I think this one is better, to be honest. Just a Boy Who Loves Anacondas, because it lines up better. It's like a big rectangle. I talk a lot about that when I'm designing my t-shirt designs. And then I went with a couple text designs for Halloween, because we know these always do well. So pretend I'm an anaconda, and then this is my anaconda costume. Again, over the years, we have seen that these types of phrases do very well. You just have to basically find the right niche. The majority of them are really competitive, but anaconda, there's probably not going to be that many designs with this. Might be a few, but it's probably going to be low in competition. So those are the designs that I came up with. Comment below, let me know which one you guys like the best. Me personally, this is my favorite one right here. And this is my favorite way to design. I basically just find some clip art and I put some text on the top, text on the bottom. I am by far not the best designer at all. But to be honest, I don't really think you have to be the best designer or have a lot of designing skills. I basically have just taught myself over the years watching YouTube videos. But yeah, so this is the design that I came up with right here. And now let me show you the keywords that I would use for this niche, or for this design, I mean. So we're going to jump on over to Merch by Amazon. I went ahead and I uploaded it. You can see this is what it looks like on the shirt. Again, you want to make sure that it's nice and big, takes up all of the canvas space so that it pops out. Definitely want to have this selected for youth, because this is going to be for you. So you can see I have it selected for men, women, and youth. But here are the keywords that I went with. And like I always say, I'm not the best when it comes to keywords. I just like to keyword stuff and just use like the basic keywords that probably most people will be searching for, and then add in some demographics, like who is it for. So I just went with Just a Boy Who Loves Anacondas, Snake Lover, Kid's Birthday. And what you can do is you can come back here to Amazon and you can just kind of like pick and choose and steal, or get some keywords from some of these shirts. Like right here you see anaconda, snake. There's really not too many, to be honest, for this niche, but I saw a lot of like snake lover, but basically the serpent, I guess maybe you could do that. But yeah, so those are the keywords that I went with, and then I just went ahead and I copied and pasted this, and I used it for my bullet 1 and bullet 2. That's the way I like to do my keywords, my SEO. I know a lot of people like to write out these long paragraphs, but like I always say, I'm just too lazy to do that, and I don't really think it's necessary. I've been able to get good sales just focusing on the main keyword, like anaconda, and who it is for, kids and boy. All right. So that is the niche that I have for you guys today. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this niche. If you want to support the channel, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I do have a couple affiliate links in the description. The first one is for Creative Fabrica. So Creative Fabrica is where I like to get all of my clip art, all of my designs, and all of my fonts. It's probably the best resource for us Merch by Amazon sellers. It's only $5 a month. And honestly, it just has so much resources. And then I also have one for Flying Research, which is this tab right here. So basically you can see what the trendy niches are. I was looking at some Cinco de Mayos, but I wasn't really able to find anything that kind of got me too excited. So I decided to go with an evergreen niche video for today. But let's just do a quick little, see if I can find something good. Or actually, maybe I'll save it till tomorrow, because tomorrow Flying Research is going to be sending out their newsletter. So I'll save it for tomorrow. But if you want to sign up for Flying Research, link is in the description. Is an affiliate link. So if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission. And then if you want to know how I get sales like this on a daily basis, I do have a course. It's the first link in the description. It's on Udemy. It's only $20. I will teach you how to get sales like this on a daily basis. It's good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. Now, I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you can see I do pretty good. So $63, $96, $112, $58, 81 bucks, $44, and I usually do over $1,000 a month. And past month was my biggest month ever, where I did $2,500, and I'm probably on pace to do somewhere around the same again. All right, so that is the video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to comment below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.